Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Spectrum Mobile in 2026, like what's it's good for, and whether it is worth your money. So Spectrum Mobile isn't as big as some other carriers, but a lot of people are curious if it is a real option right now. So first of all, let's just understand what Spectrum Mobile actually is. So Spectrum Mobile is a phone service that runs mostly on the major partner networks and Spectrum's own network when it is available. In it, you are going to get the 4G and the 5G texting data just like other major carriers. But the way plans work is really different here. The big plus is their flexible plans. Spectrum is going to offer by the gig plans in which you pay only for what you use. They also have their unlimited plans, and this is for the heavy data users. So this flexibility can save money if you don't use much data every single month. Another advantage that I would like to mention is their pricing. So Spectrum Mobile is often cheaper than the traditional carriers, especially if you already have the Spectrum internet at home. Now, many people find the pay less for the similar coverage. The performance is also solid most of the time. The speeds are good for streaming, special applications, and browsing. 5G works well in the covered areas, and switching between the Spectrum network and the partner networks mostly happens automatically. Their customer service is another point to mention. Spectrum has good support options via mobile phone and chat, and they can also help with the activation, eSIM setups, and troubleshootings. Now, here are some of the downsides too that I would like to mention. Like their coverage is generally strong where major networks exists, but in very rural areas it can be weaker than the big carriers. Another thing is that some advanced perks you might see with other carriers like free streaming benefits or large hotspot data boosts aren't always included with Spectrum Mobile. So now our most asked question, which is who is Spectrum Mobile best for? In my opinion, it is a great choice if you live in a city or in the suburban areas with good coverage, if you want flexible payment options, or you use your phone like a typical user, like you use it for social media, videos, and browsing. But it may not be best fit if you need the very fastest nationwide coverage or you want big bonus perks bundled with the services. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.